Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about different kind of data security. Okay, nowadays we are using different devices to perform our task, and the data that is exist on different devices on different networks. Okay, and to provide the security of our data that is in different format, different uh, on different devices and on different locations, so that we also need different kind of software that will stable to provide the security for our data. Okay, so let's discuss about different type of data security software. There is one category is journal data security. Okay, for example, if we are using the files like that's Excel file or Word document or the zip file, when we are putting the password on it, okay, so that those are just journal data security. Okay, and we are also having the mobile devices. Our mobile devices need to provide the security on data. So the software that's related to the data security on mobile devices have different software for it. Okay, and we have the data on our database server. For example, there is a company and who is maintaining the record of the customers and the employee. Okay, so for example, here is a database server A1 and this is database server 2. Here is the information that's related to the customer, and on database 2 there is the information about their employee. Okay, and because this database server has very sensitive information, so we need to perform the high level of the security. We cannot give access to anyone so that they can have the information about our customer. Okay, there can be the information related to their medical history, there can be the information that's related to their credit card details or the fund address, contact number. Multiple things can exist as per the what type of organization uh, is just working and then collecting the information about their about their customer. Okay, and similar way they can also have the information about their employee, whatever their name, address, and the other details, and what type of access they are having, and what in which group they are the members, or what right on the data of the organization. Okay, so this information can be very sensitive. We need separate kind of software which can provide a really very high security, which information they have to share with the particular kind of a user. There can be, for example, here is a call center which is accessing the data of their customer from this database server DB1. Okay, so all the details which exist uh, on this data server related to the particular customer, they cannot share the complete information. So specific security for it. And when we are having the data that's related to the identity management, can be the like I have just gave the example here. Employees detail, whatever the name and the addresses or rights or which group they exist. We want to keep the track what access, what information they have accessed. Okay, so all these details, when we want to store, we need identity management software. Okay, other is data masking software. So when we are hiding some information, when the information we don't want to uh, show to the specific uh, customers or the specific users or the vendors, when we need to put a mask on it, we need to complete, we can say, filter on it, then we will use the data masking. Okay, and another is data loss prevention. This is, first of all, we are securing our information. and when we what kind of backup we are maintaining. Okay, in case if any disaster will happen, or time to time we need record of our database, or whatever the data we are having, we need to maintain the data backup operations. Okay, and what type of our company, what type of information they are collecting about their employee or the customer, or whatever the information they are dealing, they need to definitely to comply some regulations. Okay, so to just fulfill all this, whether these particular settings or particular checklist we are following, then we need to ensure the compliance, then definitely we will use the software which will provide to us DLP. And another way to protect our data is encryption. Encryption can be on the particular file, it can be encryption on the folder, or on the complete hard disk, or the part of the hard disk. Okay, so or when for example on the internet, and there is one side a customer, and another side they want to make this communication secure. Okay, there is A and he is B, so they also can encrypt their traffic which is traversed over the internet. Okay, so there are different ways to encrypt their data. In this way, we when we will secure our data, which will be the suitable software provide us the security which we require, then we need to uh, select the uh, right kind of software for our data. Okay, follow me on the cybersecurity prism so that you will get the notification for the next session. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they will able to understand what different type of data security software exist, and what they need to use to secure their data. Okay, the next session I will discuss about what is the role of artificial intelligence in cybersecurity. Namaste. See you in the next session.